How to fix PowerShell randomly keeps up on popping on Windows 11 or 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix PowerShell randomly popping up on your screen. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can fix on your PowerShell, which is popping up on your Windows screen again and again. So you just need to head over to the taskbar. After that, you just need to go to startup. After going there, you'll be able to find your PowerShell here. So you're just going to go to the PowerShell. And if that PowerShell is enabled, just make sure to turn it off. You can see a bunch of options here. Right now, I don't have that issue, so I can't find PowerShell here. But if you have PowerShell here, you're just going to disable it if that option is enabled and close it. After that, the next thing is go to services, and after going to services, you just need to scroll down a bit, scroll until you are able to find Windows Update. Just scroll and you should be able to find Windows Update. You may just right click on it, and when you right click on it or double click on it. After double clicking on it, you'll be able to see this. So you can see the startup option. Under startup, you'll be able to find manual and everything. You're just going to disable it. After disabling it, just apply it. Stop first and apply and tap on OK. Click on OK. After doing so, just cross it out. And the next thing is you will just head over to the search bar and search for Windows on or off. After going there, you'll be able to see this on your screen. So you're just gonna go scroll down a bit until you're able to see Windows PowerShell. Just click on it OK after you have turned on that option. After turning it on, you just need to cross it out and your problem should probably be fixed. So therefore, just follow that step and you should be able to fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.